Hello and welcome to Savor the Southwest. Today we're going to make some lavender infused honey. And infusing sounds like, oh, this strange mythical process, but all you do are fusing something into something else. Infuse. Infusions are teas. When you put a tea bag and you pour boiling water over it, you're infusing the tea in the bag into the water and then you drink it. So infusions, we make them all the time. So basically you just cut some of these stalks off the bush. You don't need pruners. You can use kitchen shears. This stuff, I mean, heck, you could probably use kids, blunt shears. But it's not woody. It's just a soft stem. And all you have to do is kind of pull the blossoms off the stem like that. Now you notice that I'm pulling downward from the tip. And that's the way they come off easier. Because if I pull upwards, they don't want to come. If I pull downwards, they just come right off. Just the way of it. It's the way you clean all herbs and leaves off stems is you pull downward and they just come right off. Against the direction of growth, shall we say, if we want to be technical. Now I did rinse these, like I said, and basically I'm just going to put them in this honey and let them sit there for about 3 months. It isn't an overnight process. Now you can speed it a little bit. Say you want to make a gift for somebody, and you can dissolve these in a little bit of water, make an infusion, lavender tea, and add it together with the honey, and it'll be a thinner honey, or you can just put any honey at all over your flowers. Now I would have liked to have used my desert lavender, which is called Hyptis emerii, which is called now Candia emerii. It used to be Hyptis emerii. But it wasn't quite in bloom yet. And I wanted to get this going because we just put up on the website a barbecue chicken with lavender infused honey. So yummy. Now there's many other yummy honey recipes in our honey cookbook available on our website, right? Just say that. But this basically, now it's going to sit there. I get to lick the spoon. I've been known to simply take this honey, like a spoonful of it, and put it in a big mug of hot water in the winter. And it's warming, and it's lavendery, and it's fragrant, and it's sweet. And you could put this lavender honey in regular iced tea too, if you want to. Many ways to use it. And we'll come back with the honey barbecue, because not everybody can have tomato-based barbecue sauce. Especially people that have certain forms of arthritis. They're warned to avoid the deadly nightshade family, and that includes tomatoes. So all tomato-based barbecue sauces are just off the table. So what can you have that's also delicious and kind of sweet? Because tomato sauce or ketchup, barbecue sauce, they all have some sugars in them, usually brown sugar. Well, honey's a great substitute. So lavender honey, and ultimately we're going to have some lavender honey barbecue sauce. Thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.